What is up, guys? It is Star Wars Gaming, and today, there's been a problem with Topps lately. Like, they haven't been coming out with a lot of stuff, but today they came out with a lot of stuff. They came with two new sets, the Badges of War and the Intergalactic, and they also announced the award for the Shadow Boxes. And they also came out with Obi-Wan Kenobi, fan's choice, so we're gonna try and pull for that. Opening up some base Mace Windu packs. See what we can pull. Hopefully we can pull it right away. Anakin Skywalker, Darth Sidious, Uncle Owen. Tion Madone, Zuckuss, and Jar Jar Binks. C-3PO, Jabba the Hutt, and Nien Nunb. Another Tion Madone, Luminara Unduli, and Jack Porkins. Fifth pack. Darth Vader, Anakin Skywalker. Last week's, come on. That sucks. Alright, let's keep going. Zam Wesell, Captain Rex, and General Reekin. Come on, let's just pull the Kenobi and be over with. Biggs Darklighter, Tion Madone, Senator Palpatine. Commander Cody, Sebulba, Figurine Dien. Oh, this is odd. Usually we get it by now. Watch us pull the Panaka right here. C-3PO, Admiral Mahdi, Mace Windu, which is the card that's on this pack. Wow. Obi-Wan Kenobi, Wicket Warwick, and Mace Windu. Why is it taking so long to pull this? Come on. Chief Bast, Captain Panaka, and Dorme. Mace Windu again, Bib Fortuna, and Sass Ali. Now I'm kind of getting mad because I haven't pulled it yet. Should have pulled it by now. Dak Ralter, Lando Calrissian. And there we go, finally. Obi-Wan Kenobi, Star Wars fan choice. It's about time. So now, let's go over here and lock it. Come on. I don't know what's going on. Alright, it says it's locked. Alright. Shout out to my friend Dark Lord Bill. He traded me this Anakin Skywalker. As you guys know, Anakin is my favorite character, and Ahsoka Tano is my second. He traded me this, and I'm pretty happy about that. I don't know why this is still right here, but whatever. What else? I pulled this today on my brother's account. The new Badge of War. Yeah, if you guys want to trade, Anakin 2684. I have a lot of good stuff. Just come and make me an offer right here. And please like and subscribe. And yeah, peace.